All right, guys. Do you hear that? Do you hear that? Oh shit. No, I'm feeling a little bit better because I've been reducing my dairy intake. So products that contain milk, I try to avoid them. I only had a little bit of cheese yesterday and some mayonnaise, but that's it. So that's great. And let's focus now because it's still I don't know when it will be back. So yeah, got my tea here. Hope you're ready. Um, I will be trading today. I will be trading today. Um, let's yeah, all right. We know that I made this forecast now, so I'm expecting higher pricing, and this is quite nice where we can see that we had this correctional price action, if not to speak about this trend line or the flow to the downside, and that was followed up by this push to the upside, and now we got an internal bullish break as well on the 15-minute. So we get this high. So we get a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high. Actually, it's this one, my bad. That has been taken out right now. And this is actually where the bullish break came from on the back of news yesterday. And now we got a nice 50-minute area where we can look for potential longs over here. There we go. Looking clean, looking nice, looking neat. Thing is, we got internal range liquidity over here, very nice as well, but it's quite high, far away from that point on this area. So, and looking at the momentum we got over here, I'm seeing a price just trickle down. Oh, wrong one. Actually, let's first get the range on. So let's say we range is something like this. I can actually see price just either trickle down and take this out because this is the only point of internal range liquidity. And the second option is that what is this, bro? The second option is that we slowly come down, maybe get a strong impulse and then get that move away, as this is quite impulsive. And if price really wants to get higher, then we don't need much. We don't need to come that deep, as this is the only point of internal range liquidity. So we can maybe actually already look for longs as soon as we come below here. But then if we get that, then we want to see a clean entry drill. And otherwise we wait for price to come down and still give us the entry drill with a 1 minute or 5-minute market shift and then move from there. So this is my forecast for now. I wouldn't look for shorts personally. Yes, we are above previous daily highs and we are above Asia highs, but we reached that deep discount. Let's hold up. So previous daily high. We reached into that deep discount now, or deep, we reached into the discount and we got that move away. So we are aiming for higher pricing. So ideally, you just want to wait. Same here, we played the most recent bearish ranges, and now that range has become a little bit larger, but we still want to focus on that for now. And I think it's a little bit low probability. I gotta see what price does, of course. If price gives me clean price action, then yes, I will look for short because we are above previous daily high. We are above Asia high. But what is Asia high? This high didn't cause a new low. If anything, we got a low, high, a higher low, higher high. This only costs a return to discount. We don't really sell it yet. So to actually get a short now, we need price to come down, give us a bearish break, give us a bullish break, and then maybe give us something over here where we can enter short from. So look at that. We need at least something like this before we can actually look a trade, take a trade over here to get that last leg. So that's waiting. Longs are a high probability trades for me now. Going to DXY and see if that lines up. Yeah, basically same, although DXY still has this range from this low up to this high. You can see that we took that into an high here, and then we get the bearish push on the back of news. With DXY, is a little bit of the same story, that internal range liquidity that sits quite high. So yeah, gotta see if we get that move down over here and then get that continuation. Only thing I don't like about DXY is that we have this range from this low up to this high. Other than that, I would say this internal structure low, high, high, low, high, high, bearish break. It's looking quite clean to me. So we can just only 2 markings. I want to have 3 markings for this time frame where this bit of price action is bullish range we have over here. And this bearish range with the potential forecast. Now going higher, let's go to the daily and see how that closed. Yeah, so Monday was that doji candle. That was yesterday. Nice wick to the upside, bearish closure to the downside, indicating that we might come down lower. Let me pull this across real quick. And now we can see that already we got that continuation. We might even continue looking at this candle. We might not get that retracement at all and just move further down. Though it would be nice to get this retracement, maybe not this deep, because now if you look at it, it's quite deep, but get some retracement and then get that continuation. And yeah, same with the EU. Look clean. Came below the liquidity, closed slightly bullish, but essentially it's a doji candle, so indecisive candle. But we know that we're liquid, that it took liquidity and then gave that turnaround, and now we got that bullish continuation already. However, we don't have London, and we didn't have London or Frankfurt open yet. So of course we want to wait for that first. Coming to GU. GU is building case for higher price action as well. As you can see, it's respecting this area over here and essentially took this internal range liquidity. And we still got these equal highs up here. So for GU, I'm actually feeling confident and want to focus on the same areas as on EU, which means that yes, we got this push here, but if we go to the 1 hour, I think that's the right one. A little bit higher. Yeah, I can take that one. I would say pretty much wait for price to come below here, essentially. Wait, what is this forecast? So we didn't come above there yet, so we can get a move down after we come above here. So yeah, for EU or GU, pretty much the same story, though we know we have this trend line over here lining up pretty nice. And we know that we already reached into the premium pricing of this most recent bearish leg. We can actually take off all this nonsense, all this distraction. I don't want this one. There we go. So yeah, We took that. We got the bearish break. We took all these lows. We came into this demand zone. And then we pushed up. We didn't reach into the deep premium yet, the deep discount yet for the blue range. So we can see low pricing. Now, if we look at the daily closure, you see the huge wick to the downside as well. Although Friday was strong push to the downside, Monday seems to be turnaround, and Tuesday can be the continuation that would mean that Monday for this week formed the low of the week, which would be over here on EU. Now, if we go to the news, because that's quite important as well. So we got retail sales on EU in 3 hours, but this is 11 a.m. my time. That is when I'm off the charts, so I don't care about that. Thing is, we might see slow price action until then. And what? Oh, so on what's it called? On Forex Factory, retail sales are not even that important. Okay, so and we got IFE PMI on Canadian dollar. What we don't. Yeah, I use it sometimes, but not really for dollar index. So yeah, let's see if price just continues down instantly or gives us that retracement, and that would mean for EU goes up instantly or give us that retracement, and that would mean for GU comes up instantly to take further internal range liquidity, take out these equals, or give us that retracement below this level ideally, and then get the move. All right, that's it, guys. Peace out and good luck.